Hello and welcome. I just wanted to walk you through a quick run through of how a consumer would apply for a loan on your customized lending landing page. So right up here would be where your logo would go, and this would be the same page that your customer would access to check for offers for purchasing your goods and services. So keep in mind that we do not affect their credit score by checking for these loans or offers until they actually go through with the loan. So the first thing they would do is click the button to check their rates, and they'll be given a secure page where they can fill out the information and also select what the loan purpose is. Most of the time with our customers, it's either home improvement, major purchase, sometimes it's a business, but I would typically put in major purchase or home improvement. You can request $1,000 up to $100,000, but our sweet spot is around $35,000 to $50,000. The $100,000s are oftentimes student loan debt consolidation loans. So all they would have to do is fill out basic information and enter if they would like to add a co-applicant. This is a new feature that we've just added on. And at that point, they will click the button that says Select My Rates. And at this time, what we'll do is we'll go out to our lenders and we will be pairing this consumer with the correct lenders that meet their credit profile that would potentially make an offer. It takes 1 to 2 minutes, and we will display all the offers from all the lenders on their page, and it will look something like this. So as you can see here, there were five offers made, and there was one for $9,000 at 7.88, $8,000, $7,000, $6,000, $5,000. This particular customer only applied for $5,000, and for this lender, it approved them for a 36-month term. And there were other offers as well, so they would just continue to list. The consumer would pick the loan term and the interest rate that made the best sense for them. Once they click the select button, then they will be taken to the lender's website where they will set up a username and password. Typically, the username will be the email address. And then they will actually consummate the loan. So they'll look at the loan terms, they'll confirm everything, their address, all their personal information. And then at that time, they will click Submit. Then it will actually go out for hard pull on the credit report, and they will walk them, that particular lender will walk them through their process of getting them approved, e-signing the contracts, the installment agreements for the loan, and possibly verifying over the phone information. In many cases, if it's under $10,000, 10 to 15,000, they don't even do that. They'll just confirm the loan. They might verify their identification, their ID, maybe do a text on their mobile phone to verify them, and then they'll typically have the funds within 48 to 72 hours after that last verification process is completed. At that time, you will be updated in real time in your merchant portal. So you'll be able to see all these applications, you'll be able to see all the offers, what was offered to your customer, what time they applied, what they were approved for, and everything going on with this loan process. So if you see they're approved, you can pick up the phone, give them a call, and give them the good news and work on arranging to consummate the sale that you have made with them. They also can call you, and you could fill this information out over the phone right on the website here if they wanted to let you do that. And we will have some other options in the future where you'll be able to text and send in loan agreements via mobile phones as well. So I hope this gave you a quick idea of what the process is. It's fast, it's easy, it's simple. You just send them over to your branded page where your logo is at. They apply for the loan. You're updated instantly in your back office, your dashboard, of what's happening with that loan. The consumer can get a quick approval or decline right off the bat. They're made an offer immediately. They can move forward with that loan so they can start to enjoy your goods and services. Please contact our support department or give us a call or email if you have any further questions or need to set up a one-on-one training call. Thank you. Hi, thank you. I just wanted to take a few moments to go over your customer dashboard to review your current loan activity. As you can see when you log in here, which we will email you your credentials in a separate email from your welcome email to access this portal. You'll be able to see the number of applications that have come in today, the amounts requested today, the funded amounts today. So this is funding dollars that have actually gone to your customers. And then you can run some other reports like funded applications, rejected, etc. Underneath this tab over here, you can pull up your daily summary of loans by day, and you can look at them by day, by month, or by year. And you can see how many loan applications have come in by day, and the offers, if they clicked those offers, if they were funded, rejected, or if we could not match them with the lender and the amount that they requested to be financed. So a lot of great data that you can pull down to see if your customers are visiting your website, your landing page, and filling out the applications. You also have an analytics dashboard where you can pull by month, by day, or specific date ranges and look and see what offers were clicked and also total applications you received, if there were co-apps, etc. So all that data is there. Once again, month, day, and distribution stats. You can actually see what offers were made. You can see the interest rate ranges. You can kind of get an idea what type of client, or looking at your client base over time, what type of interest rates they are actually qualifying for, and then what the terms look like over those periods. We go out as far as 60 months, so depending on that individual consumer and their credit profile, we can show you all this data of what their offers look like, what their statuses look like, and the terms that we were offered to them. You can drill down into your loan application, so once you see a particular loan has been approved, you can drill down into that loan and you can dig deep into the details of that consumer and see what offers they were made and what the loan purpose was for. So hopefully this gives you a great idea of looking at your overall flow of customers you've referred over there to your website. And you can also see here on the funding report, we don't have any in here because this is a demo site, but we'll show you the actual amounts that have been funded by what lender to your application, so your applicants, so you can actually call them up and start that process of grabbing and receiving the money that they received to start your project, or picking up those funds so you can deliver your merchandise to them. So I hope this gives you just a brief snapshot. Once again, you'll get an email with these credentials. This data is in real time, so you will have real-time data as the loans are coming in and as the loans are approved or rejected. Please contact us at support if you need any additional training or have any questions. Thank you.